Ya, sí.
Guys, I'm leveling myself out as I go, right? So I don't have a dozer coming in front of me or behind me. So drop this fire as I'm coming in.
Ya. ¿Ganar cómo llegan por acá atrás, por acá arriba o qué?
Just make a little hole in this motherfucker.
Yeah, I got you. You put a train up there, but we don't get that close. Ahora, Simón, este sí va a tocar. I got it started, Tyler. Appreciate it, buddy. Just got everybody confused. That's what you did with them. Only if you got a small pea brain.
Aggie that. You're good to go, driver.
My bad,
No big deal, bro.
I was weaving.
Whoa. Long weekend.
Yeah,
What was that, boss? Zoink, scoop! Cut the highs, fill the lows. You know how it goes. That's it. Get the job done. Nobody cares. It's hard. Alright. It's gonna get harder until you get stronger. Or wiser. Whichever comes first. One day I'm gonna be a big dog like you guys, man. One day I'm gonna be a big dog. It's a little baby machine, little 890 Hitachi. This ain't doing nothing, man. I don't like you yard bucket, 10-yard bucket, some shit. Who knows?
Come dump back here on the line. We'll catch up to that in a second. Come dump back here where I'm at.
Hey, rock truck, hold that thought. Rock truck that's backing up, hold that thought. Go ahead and bring her back. Try to find my bucket. Try to find my bucket.
What's up, Victor? Victor, what's up? I don't think we're gonna be needing water for a while. Yeah, I know. Another Yuka over there? What was that? Another haul truck? I'm in a haul truck. That's the last one? Where are you at? I couldn't look it by the plant, by the crusher. Oh, 10-4. Oh, maybe that haul later on, but fuck, I don't see no dust right now. No, it's 10. I don't think we're gonna use them right now. Where are the other two trucks? That? Danny Alonso? Yeah, I don't know. I ain't seen them. They're not up here? No, they probably went to the back with the same Matt. Okay. Hey, yeah, you don't have an extra hot truck over there? I think there is. We're putting grease in the truck's dust because they're really low. Ah, 10-4. Hey, there's another hot truck on that, Parquero, yeah? Yeah, there's a John Deere. Guys, you jumping that one for a while, Gus? Do y'all need water? Hey, Matt. Yeah. Hey, can you come back this way, see if we can use this material right here? Yeah, where you at, on the loader? Yeah, I'm on the loader. I'm gonna load up at least 2 trucks so we can fix all that back of that Connex. I guess bring it on, fuck it, whatever it is. I don't know where we at, but... there's some good stuff right here that looks like it has a lot of rock on it. Gotta grab it, fuck it. Hey guys, can you send me 2 trucks over here? Or at least one truck over here. You can send you AJ. Yeah, 10-4, right with me out. AJ and Daddy are greasing the truck. We're on grease. How we gonna play out? Yeah, I'm on the loader over here where they're crushing all this base right here. 10-4. Down. Yeah. You got to jump on that last haul truck for a while so that they need some water. Alright, and you can come this way over here where I'm at. I'm gonna load up some of the materials for like that we can fix that and back of that Connex and all that where the diesel tanks are at. Bueno, como quiera my water truck full whenever we need it. That way to be doing something, Alright, 10-4. They say we can use that telehandler. There's all that stuff to make it look nice.
This is my process of loading shot run, you know.
Yeah.
Show the
Got
people
two trucks over here.
and I don't always load them like this. Sometimes I bring them to my side.
That one you cannot drive, but the other one's good to go, I think.
Nah, I much rather prefer to load my trucks like this. Prefer to load my trucks like this. It's a lot safer. Just in case your fucking shit decides to flip forward. Tip forward, not flip, but tip forward. You want to flip over your tracks on the side of them, right? But other than that, man, I mean,
On the metal que es el cane.
I'll be making more videos like this and other equipment. Hope to get some support from you guys. Yeah, some criticism is fine too. I don't mind some constructive criticism from y'all motherfuckers. Soil engineers that have been out there 30 years and shit, you know what I mean? I know y'all motherfuckers been out there 30 years doing some digging and everybody got some tips and tricks. So shit, I'm all ears. I'm open for criticism. I'm not a professional by no means. I'm working my way there. I can definitely say I got over 10,000 hours on equipment in general. I wouldn't say on the excavator I got 10,000 hours, but close. I'm approaching this shit, so put some respect on my name. Nah, I'm saying you ain't gotta respect me for shit. I don't care who respects me, because I respect myself. But more importantly, I respect my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Let's go. Come back, somebody.